Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening something from my birthday. This was like my main birthday present from Charlotte. And here it is. It's a GoPro Hero7 Black and a sleeve and lanyard, a turtle green one, for the actual GoPro itself. Which, yeah, I'm going to be opening right here. So if you are interested in GoPros and you want to see what's inside inside a GoPro Hero7 Black, then this is probably going to be the best video for you. If I sound a little bit off or a little bit weird or the angle looks like a little bit strange, that's actually because of the setup which I've got right here. So first of all, I'm going to give you a little bit of a background, but if you just want to skip ahead to the unboxing, there will be a time code, timestamp thing on here right about now. And for those of you that want to see what's going on kind of like behind the scenes right now, I'm going to go right now. So I've got like this really kind of like silly system going on. So here's the GoPro itself, and then the actual camera. Oh yeah, you can see I'm watching a vlog about Japanese fake food samples. But oh, and I've also got my editor open as well. Lovely. Okay, cool. Yep, so here's my PC. There is the actual camera itself. Hello. Right, and then over here as well, just for my lighting, I've actually just got a proper studio light, which is kind of bouncing light off to give me this wonderful picture that you can see right now. Cool. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to open is the lanyard itself. This can come a little bit later. So here's the lanyard now. There's my scissors. Okay, right. So it's easier if we open it from the bottom. Love this as well. I've actually got like a hands-free system going on. In theory, it would be easier if I actually just had like a smaller tripod. Or a tripod, just my phone instead. That might actually be easier, and then just get like a separate microphone. But this is the Pure Ben show, and I'm not used to making things easy for myself. Okay, right. Okay, so it's just a box, and this is the lanyard. So it's actually like a silicone. It's kind of cool. This is basically it, really. It's literally just a cutout, so you just pop it in. Cool. But this would be really good if you're doing, I don't know, kind of like something during dry weather. Is probably the best thing for this. Or if you're kind of, I don't know, like vlogging on the go. There is literally nothing else inside this box, but it is literally just the lanyard itself. So, all right, cool. Nice and easy. It's a nice little turtle green color as well. Kind of reminds me of like army vehicles or army uniforms or something like that. So awesome. All right, great. Oh, and just here for the close-up. There we go. Sorry, I'm doing everything upside down, so this picture I'm actually gonna have to rotate during post-production. But yeah, there it is. It's nice actually. It feels like it's really good quality as well. It smells like card, which is what it came in. All right, and now the meat and potatoes. So this is the actual GoPro 7 itself. There's a little pull tab right here. This is what you get inside the box. So it includes the actual GoPro itself. You've got a waterproof case, a mount, I guess, and the screw, which is what you can actually see just in here. And there's also a helmet mount as well. So what I really want to get is like a skateboarding helmet or something like that, because I've got a couple of ideas that I want to do for like fast moving shots. I don't know, I'm going to try and work it out. And then you've also got a battery and a charger case. So this is now the actual open. Okay. Cool. I really like GoPro cases. Okay, so that's the case empty, and this is it. This is the actual GoPro itself. So, okay, great. So you need to pick this bit up here, and then you pull that out, I think. Oh, no. So you pull this bit, pull this bit up, and then you pull, pinch, you pinch. Okay. And then you slide. How does this work?
A few moments later.
Aha, I got it. All right, cool. So, God, I'm really bad at this. Okay, so here is the GoPro itself. If you've seen a GoPro before, this is basically what it looks like. It's kind of, you know, the thing that action cameras are built after. But if you want to take it off of this little thing, then you unscrew this screw here. And you remove the tab. Cool, and that bit comes off as well. And then this is the case. So this is actually a shockproof case. It's not a waterproof case. It's kind of just to hold everything in. So this is the mount itself. So it looks like the actual waterproof case is going to be separate, which means I'm probably going to have to go shopping because I would like the waterproof case just for some extra kind of shots. These are really, really good for, obviously it's got a wide angle lens, but these are really good for taking shots underwater if things are like kind of falling in. I really want to try some things where it's kind of in sort of, I don't know, like a plug or something like that. But, you know, I guess we'll try that out. So the battery goes in there. Nice and easy. You pop it back on and you slide it back down and there's your little button. There's the microphone, I guess. And here is the USB-C and micro USB charging cable. Oh no, wait, that's a mini HDMI. Okay, that's better, yeah. And then the USB-C charging cable. Wait a minute, so where did the micro SD cards go? Right, it doesn't go in there, so it must go in the bottom. Yes, it does. So the micro SD slot, if you can just see it, is literally just there, just in front of the battery itself. Cool, okay. And then the on-off button as well, and the record button. Lovely. So, shockproof casing, screw, mount. This bit stays on, I think. Or maybe it doesn't, maybe that's just display stuff. And then the actual thing itself, so that's GoPro. If you need help, you can talk to a GoPro person. There's some GoPro stickers. Oh, I love the stickers, they're great. Lots of safety instructions, mostly don't open the battery, GoPro camera lenses, glass, etc, etc. Okay. Alright, cool. So the actual slidey mount, which is adhesive, so you can stick that to a helmet of some sort, and then you've got the battery as well. The battery is actually quite heavy, so I'm hoping that that would actually be really high quality. I imagine it would be. USB-C GoPro cable, just for the charging and for file movement, I guess, and that's it, really. There is nothing else. So I suppose this slides into this, I would think. Right, so if we lift this up, aha, yes, okay, cool. Alright, so we close that, and then the GoPro goes in here, like so. Okay, close that. You slot that in there. And then you screw this up, and there you go. Your GoPro is now ready for mounting onto a helmet, or alternatively, you can pop it inside a little lanyard and just have it kind of ready to be affixed to something. I would kind of like to get like a belt harness or something like that, where I'd be able to have it attached to like a rucksack or something, or otherwise I have it on a helmet, just so you could like go, ooh, you know, running around with it. But yeah, that's it. This is my unboxing video. I'm probably going to do a video further from now, which will kind of just have like, you know, footage recorded using the GoPro. Maybe I'll put it in this video, or maybe I'll just put it in a separate video, probably in a separate video. Okay, cool. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7 and also the GoPro lanyard. And I will catch you in the next video. Remember to subscribe for more, and see ya.